Hey guys, as many as you know from watching my videos, I am in the process of getting my home office together, and I thought that I would come on and show you guys my portable AC unit that I brought. Although it is about to be wintertime, it was extremely hot in this shed when I first decided to turn this into my office space. So I'm going to show you guys just a little review of my Amazon portable AC unit back here. So let's get started with that. Here's my unit. It is a Black Decker portable AC unit. As you can see, it is pretty large. Let me step back so I can show you guys just how big it is. So it is pretty big. Not so much as, so this room is 10 by 20, I believe. So it's fairly big in here, so it doesn't take up much room. But if you was to put this in a house, like in a bedroom or something, it would definitely probably take up a little more space than you would want it to. So it's really big. It does come with a remote. The remote is on the table over there, but turning it on, it powers on very quickly. I don't know if you can tell the noise, but it is kind of loud. It's not so loud in this room, but if I was in the house, I could tell that this is really loud. It's not as loud as a window unit, but it's extremely loud. It has different modes on it. You have the temperature setting, you have the cool setting, and you have the fan setting. Also, you have the fan speed. You have a mode where you can turn it up, down, whatever works for you. It also comes with the drainage tube. So right now I'm just using a tube that comes from Dollar Tree, and as you can see, it does have water in it, because when you're using this unit, you have to have somewhere for the water to drain out. So I have a what is it, Hi-C fruit punch, some type of Hawaiian punch, the Hawaiian punch jug. I have one in the house that I'm going to clean out, and I'm going to bring it in here, and I'm just going to stick this tube down that Hawaiian punch jug. It also comes with this hose. It's extremely long, and you can like compress it together and pull it apart. It's like a what are those things, saxophones, I believe that's what they're called. But anyway, so yeah, so you can just stretch it out to the length that you need. So I just have mine running out of my window. I did have to break some of this in order to get it to compress down to size for my window, but after doing that, it worked perfectly. And again, like I said, the hose connects because it has to have some drainage. It has to drain outside. It has to have some type of portal so that it can go outside. So again, that is my system. It was really easy to install. It comes on really quickly. I think this unit was about $329 when I bought it, and it's an 8,000 BTU unit, and it came within 3 to 4 days. So shout out to Amazon, good deal. If you're looking for a portable AC unit, this is perfect.